Mimic mimOE is all about APIs, agents, and models. Mimic mimOE allows you to have on-device insights. So what does that mean? If I go into this page on the application, I have a transactions page. This is our on-device insights, meaning that every AI workflow that we just ran, we can open it up. So for example, when we just ran that search use case, we can actually see all of the different agents involved to do that workflow end to end, and especially some information about how long it took each agent to do its specific job. We also have a notes page that gives a view of what our discovery looks like. So from the point of view of the tablet that I have in my hand, I can see what services are running on the robot, for example, the rover, and what agents are running on there, as well as some information about the hardware on top of the rover. For example, I can also click on this device here, where I can see all the services running there, and similarly, some information about the hardware as well too. This is what our service mesh looks like and what our discovery delivers, where all of the devices that are running mimOE know the capabilities of every other device that it has discovered.